we have a short special feature for you. You may have noticed in that senior dance, One More Step, all the cool clouds and the weather. What you may have wondered is whether that flash of lightning was real. And in fact, it was real. And the way that that dance unfolded, by my definition, was really a miracle. I'll let Melissa explain just a little more.
So our original intent with that senior dance was that each one of the seniors would choreograph a section of the dance and then teach it to each other, and they would dance it together, featuring each senior and their choreography, and then bringing them together as a whole. And due to the circumstances going on with the pandemic and online classes, our seniors were never able to get together and work on that dance. So on that day of filming, our dancers had an outline that they had received by email of what section of the dance they were going to perform. And they got out there, and in one take, because we knew that weather was creeping in, one take, those dancers followed verbal directives, and they also just went out there and performed it beautifully, wonderfully, perfectly in that single filming. At the end of the dance, the very end, the rain just came pouring down and everyone cheered. It was something really special that I will never forget. It's a treasure, a dance treasure in my mind forever.
Yeah, it was really a God moment. So what you're about to see is that dance again with the raw audio from the cameras. So you'll hear Melissa coaching the dancers as they perform this dance for the first time with no run-through whatsoever. You'll hear the thunder and the wind pick up, and then the sky breaks open with rain at just the right time. Here it is. Enjoy.
Is this like center?
Yep.
Okay, because I'm starting to look out.
Yep.
And do what feels right too, I guess.
You did better than me.
One more step, I know you can do. One more step.
Start walking. Yep.
Yes, I know you'll make it through. One more step, slowly and steady, you will win this race. One more step, and you'll reach the promised land. And there can be peace.
Trouble, start rocking. Cut a rock. Yes. On the art of lifting. Lift your eyes.
You will lift a mountain, and there can be joy.
Now sorrow, some sort of sorrow move.
I'm saying it might hurt all, but still, you've got to keep singing. Oh,
Beautiful.
I know that with all its shadows, that somewhere there is sunshine. It's out of
Yeah.
Everyone look to the right.
but morning's coming. Yes. One more.
Take steps and move positions. Just go to a different spot.
One more step.
Good.
Yes, I know you'll make it through. Yes, one more step.
Then look at Molly.
Slowly and steady.
Everybody put your right arm out. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Stay down. On walls about to come down. Start going down. Yeah.
I know you can. Do you believe you can do
Yes.
it?
Yeah.
One more.
Everybody just slow steps forward.
Yes,
Awesome.